Hey guys, I'm Rob. We're here at Cookeville RV Marine, and behind me I have the Cougar 28Bhs. Guys, you are not going to believe what this camper has in it. You got a family, you need a camper, this is the travel trailer that's going to check all the boxes, right? So let's look at this guy. So the 2800 Cougar, the first thing you're going to notice, you're going to see these yellow LED lights on the front cap. Really sweet. We got 20-pound propane tanks with a battery box behind that, power tongue jack. Guys, this thing don't only have a power tongue jack. This camper actually has full leveling on it. All right, guys, so on the camping side of this 28Bhs, you can see a big pass-through, right? We're going to have a pass-through big enough to put our full-size tubs in, slide them all the way across. That's one thing nice about a Cougar. You get big storage. One thing else on the 28Bhs is you get a little bit bigger refrigerator for the outside. Normally, you know, they're the smaller dorm fridges. This guy gives you a little bit bigger fridge, which is nice, especially if you're going to have those kids, right? You got the big awning, big black awning all the way to the rear end of this camper with the LED lights underneath it. One thing you're going to notice on the outside of this camper is it does have speakers. Not all travel trailers are putting outdoor speakers on them anymore. Cougar still does. That's one thing I like about Cougar. They actually give you the radio still. Going to have a vent for the microwave hood vent. But one thing you're going to notice, you got two doors, two entrances into this camper. Makes it really nice. We'll see in the back. The back entrance kind of gives you direct access for the kids to go in and out. It's really nice when we get to the inside. We'll see that. Let's check out the rest of it though. All right, guys, so we're on the off-door side of the camper, and one thing you're going to see that Cougar does that's really nice is they give you a complete sealed wet bay, right? For your hookups and your water hoses and stuff. One thing really nice about this model and having a wet bay like this is we're not going to have to worry about doing winterizing underneath a cabinet or crawling under our bed. You're going to do all your winterizing, turn all of your valves out here in this wet bay. So it makes winterizing, hooking up to water 10 times easier when you have something like this. Really makes it nice. Also inside this pass-through is you're going to be your solar switch, solar battery switch. So you can turn that solar on and off whenever you're ready to use that. Guys, this camper comes with 220 watts of solar. Pretty good size panel for a unit like this. It does have availability to add more to it if you want to add more solar to it or add inverter. It's all inverter prep for you and everything like that. So let's look at the rest of it and then we'll go in. All right, guys, so on the back side of the off-door side of this camper, one thing you're going to notice is that this camper already comes with slide toppers. That's something Cougar does pretty standard for you. That's really nice. Keep those leaf sticks, weather off the top of that slide, keeps those seals better for you. Something to think about when buying a camper. Also, guys, you're going to have two gray tanks and a black tank, but guess what? They all hook up on one spot. That's right, we're not dealing with two different hookups on this camper. You're only going to have to deal with one. Of course, we're doing the endless hot water with that tankless hot water tank back here. You know, tankless hot water heaters have really taken off. Keystone knows that. Cougar's going to put them in there for you. Something really nice is to have a tankless hot water heater. Take those 20-30 minute showers if you want to. Now look at this, guys. So this is going into the back bunk area. I have the bed up right now. I did that so you could see you can store your bicycles, anything taller storage wise that you want to put in here. Really easy, but guess what? This is actually your bed. So with one click, I can lower the bed down and you get a full-size double bed back here and still have room for the storage underneath. Really nice. Also, Keystone gives you a 300-pound tongue weight hitch, which is really nice. You're going to carry those bicycles on the rear. You can do that. Luggage rack. You know, carry a little bit more storage space back here is always nice. You are always prepped for a Fury-on backup camera with a Cougar, and you get a full-size spare tire. Now let's look at the inside. All right, guys, so coming into this Cougar, one thing that they're going to do is they're going to put the control panel right beside you as you come in. Now, one thing really nice about this control panel is Keystone's kind of getting on board with switches. Everybody loves switches. We can dim the lights on these. That's really nice. You're going to be able to do the same thing in the bedroom. Big deal is light switches on a dimmer nowadays. So Keystone does that for you. But your, running the slide in and out, the on and in and out, all that, your gauges, all that's conveniently located right inside the door. You're going to see nice lighting underneath cabinets. Now, some of this is going to be push button lighting, which I'm okay with, because if I don't want it on, guess what? I can turn it off. You're going to have things like wireless charging for your phone that also has a pop-up plug in the countertop there with USBs and plug-ins. Really nice. You get two drawers coming down right on the inside coming in. You also have the ability to keep your shoes up because you kind of got a little shoe storage underneath there as well. You get a pretty nice closet on the other side coming in. So want to put something away, you can use it as a pantry. You could do that as well. But you talk about storage, guys. Moving it kind of on into the living room behind the TV, we have hidden storage, and you're talking a lot of hidden storage. Of course, you can see they put a plug up there, so if you have that cordless vacuum, you got a plug-in spot for that cordless vac. But that's big time storage. And this light, don't want it on, no worries. It's on the switch. That's one thing Cougar's good about doing, is giving you a lot of switches for all your lights. But really nice entertainment center, right? We're going to have the front speaker watching those movies, those ball games inside here. It's going to sound good. This sound system also controls those speakers on the outside that we saw. So you want to Bluetooth your phone into it and play music outside, you can. Right below it, look at this fireplace, guys. We're not only going to depend on the gas heat to keep this guy warm, you have the comfort of doing it with that almost a 5,000 BTU heater right there in that electric furnace there. So it's really nice to have that. But all that is right across from your big couch. Guys, you can sit 3 wide down through here. You don't want 3 wide. You want to have a little bit more comfort. Look at that. We can put our drinks. You got heat, massage, USB charging in your armrest. We've got the little plug-ins, USB, more chargers back there. There's nothing that you're not going to be able to charge while sitting in here watching the game. Something really nice. Now, all of these lights are on a switch for you. And guess what? They're dimmable. Want to watch that movie? We can dim these lights down too. Now, let's look at the kitchen dinette area. Alright guys, so before I show you this dinette, I want to show you, talk about those lights being on a dimmer switch. They're over here for you. Easy, have them on, have them off, don't matter. One thing Cougar does is they kind of give you some little decorative lighting. Guess what? They're on a switch as well. I think that's really neat. Now, this dinette, which I really like these dinettes, it also doubles as a bed. So if your kids have friends that want to come and you need more bed space, right? Put the in-laws down here. Really easy to do this. You just set these cushions up, push this down, right? This goes all the way down, and then you use your back cushions to fill in for you. Boom, we got another bed ready to go. It's that simple, comes up just the same. Now, this is really neat because this dinette is right across from the kitchen. Makes everything really convenient. You get a 3-burner stovetop with oven. All right. Not all campers are giving you a true oven anymore. Keystone still does that with this Cougar. Get you a full microwave. Got a hood vent with a light, fan on it. Big drawers. A lot of drawers, big space underneath the kitchen sink to put all your storage needs. You get a 12-volt refrigerator, guys. This is big because you've got that 220 watts of solar. Fridge is going to run off of that solar, keeping that battery charged going down the road. Charges off the truck. You guys could head to wherever you wanted to go. Run the fridge the whole way there off of a battery. No need for propane anymore. Look at these bunks, all right? You're not going to see a better bunk setup for kids in a travel trailer this size, guys. You got a nice step system getting up to the top bunk, not something every bunk model has is steps to get up there. It's important. We know that. Keystone knows it. They give it to you. Look at this, 300-pound weight limit on the top. You're going to have big kids on the bottom. You got storage cubbies with charging ports in there for their phones or tablets. Got a little storage underneath. Remember that back door? We can pop that up, have more storage back here. Really nice setup. Now let's check out the bathroom. All right, guys, so coming in the bathroom, really easy. You got a nice little sink vanity area there. All right, got your plug in. That controller there we saw on the wall, that was your hot water heater controller. Foot flush toilet, pool door, shower. Nice stand-up shower, plenty of room. Get everybody in there that you want to. It's really nice bathroom to have back here on the back. And I talked about that entrance door. It's nice to be able to come into that bathroom from the outside without having to come all the way through the camper. Makes it a little bit nicer for the kids too, I promise. Now let's check out the bedroom. All right, guys, so we're in the bedroom. Now, one thing cool about this bedroom, full-size queen bed. We're talking residential length and width on this queen bed. Now, Keystone gives you a pretty good amount of storage around here. We've got a removable shelf. That's in case you want to hang longer clothes on here. You have that on both sides. You actually have hinged overhead cabinetry. You don't know how nice that hinged overhead cabinetry is until you've had to hold with one hand and grab with the other. It's really nice that it holds itself up for you. Now, if that's not enough space for you, right across from us is another wardrobe. And we're talking a wardrobe big enough to hold all the wife's clothes. All right, you're going to get them all in here. It's a really nice big box for you. And if that ain't enough, guess what? There's more storage. All right, under the bed, we've got all this storage as well. All right, we've got more drawers underneath. We've got a box underneath. You can get everything you want underneath here. Get your socks and underwear in there. Everything goes, guys. If you're interested in this Cougar 28Bhs or any camper for that matter, give us a call, shoot us a text, visit us online, cookevilleRV.com. Don't forget to like and share this video, and always subscribe to catch up with more videos just like this one. We can't wait to make you part of the family, guys.